In 2021, the American Space Agency NASA published some truly astonishing images. In these pictures, rivers of gold flowing through the Amazon rainforest of South America were shown. These images were captured from space by NASA's International Space Station. Before anyone could accuse these pictures of being fake, NASA itself issued a clarification. The rivers of gold are actually pits dug by local people. In this part of the Amazon rainforest, about 30,000 people are illegally searching for gold, and in the process, they have dug countless pits. These pits contain small amounts of gold, but they are mostly filled with dirty water and mud, so they usually remain hidden from view. However, in NASA's images, they appear shining and glittering in the sunlight. While these people may have made some fortune in their search for gold, they have caused irreparable damage to the environment by deforestation. Viewers, these rivers of gold flowing in the Amazon might be a source of wonder for you, but the real wonder lies in the strange facts about this forest that you will learn in this video. The Amazon forest is the largest forest in our world. This forest is so vast that it spans 9 countries. These 9 countries include Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The largest portion of this forest, which makes up about 60% of its area, lies within Brazil. The total area of the Amazon forest is 5.5 million square kilometers. This forest is so huge that 7 countries the size of Pakistan could fit inside it. Viewers, you all know that when we breathe in, we take oxygen from the air, and when we breathe out, we release carbon dioxide. In contrast, trees and plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. You'll be surprised to know that 20% of the air we are breathing right now comes from the Amazon forest. That's why the Amazon is called the lungs of the earth. In this forest, there are 16,000 different species of trees, and the total number of trees of all types is about 390 billion. In some places, the trees are so dense that they don't even let sunlight pass through, and even in daylight, it feels like night there. Because of this density, when it rains here, the rainwater takes 10 minutes to reach the ground below. There's hardly a week in the entire year when it doesn't rain here. Because of this heavy rainfall, it's called the Amazon rainforest. Due to the rain and the excellent ecosystem, animals, birds, and plants of such strange varieties are found here that have only been seen in the Amazon forest anywhere in the world. So far, 40,000 species of plants, 1,300 species of birds, 2,200 species of fish, 427 species of mammals, 428 species of amphibians, and 378 species of reptiles have been discovered here. If we talk about small insects, over 2.5 million different species of insects have been discovered in the Amazon so far. It's said that in the Amazon forest, a new species of animal or plant is discovered every 3 minutes. Despite having so many species of plants and animals, the interesting thing is that a very large part of this forest and the creatures living here have not even been discovered yet. As beautiful as the Amazon forest looks, it is equally terrifying. There are creatures here that are extremely frightening and dangerous. There are insects here that can cause a person's death within seconds if they bite someone. The spiders here are so big and powerful that they can hunt birds. One such spider is called the Goliath Bird-Eater. This spider is the largest spider in the world and belongs to a type of spider that has hair on its body and is called a tarantula. Its body can be up to 5 inches long, while its legs can be up to 12 inches long. It is about the size of a dinner plate or a small pizza. It also weighs a considerable 175 grams. It was named the bird-eating spider because the first people who discovered it saw it eating a hummingbird. While other types of spiders are silent, this one also makes a hissing sound to scare off its predators. This spider is very aggressive and venomous. Its venom attacks the nervous system of its prey and paralyzes it. Its venom is not deadly for humans.